All right, guys, here's what I'm doing today. This is a Boy and His Dad Productions doing some metal work, continuing on the 60, and this is what we're working on. So replacing the left front cab corner. And let me tell you, learning from doing the passenger side, I have learned a smarter way to do this. So if you want to figure out a better, smarter way to do this, watch this video. Because listen, I'm a hardhead and I got to learn things the hard way. I figured out to cut this thing out from the top, so I didn't have to drill out a bunch of spot welds and then, you know, grind and pry and hammer it out. So this is the old one. Look at this thing. This is a rusted out cab corner, cab support, yes. Anyway, these things can be a bear to replace, but this one is actually going in quite nicely and easily. So I've got the new one laid in there, ready to go. All right, guys, you know what to do. Click that like, subscribe. Until the next time.